Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video I'll show you my updated free tweaking utility. So this tool increases your FPS, decreases your latency and input delay. It also has other benefits like cleaning your temporary files and other useless apps off your PC which just take up storage. But before we start the tutorial, I want to tell you guys about my premium and standard tweaking utilities. So these are basically better and more advanced versions of this free one. They have a lot more tweaks than my free one. So if you notice a difference after the free utility, then my premium or standard tweaking utility will help you so much more. I have hundreds of reviews on my website and my Discord server, so make sure to check them out. Now let's just start the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to the description of this video. I'm going to use my last video as an example. So here, go to the download and here simply press on the Discord link and continue to the Discord and go to the free tweaks category right here and simply go to download. So here you can see you can download a utility. This will put you to a Google Drive and simply right click on it and press download. So for every 1000 likes this video gets, I'll add 3 new tweaks to the utility in the next update. So yeah, simply like the video and also make sure to subscribe because I put a lot of work into the utilities. Let's continue with the tutorial. Alright, so it should pop up right here. So simply click on it and drag this right here, the free EXM tweaking utility 2.1 to your desktop. So and simply right click on it and run it as administrator. So here you can make a restore point, which I highly recommend doing this since you can revert all of the tweaks using the restore point. So if you want to come back to normal, you can just use this. And I'll show you how to use the restore point at the end of the video. But right now I'm just going to make one. So just press 1, enter, and I'll skip to when it's finished. Alright, so here you have a little warning. Simply just press any key to continue. And this will download resources, which if you're wondering what the resources are, these are basically apps that the utility uses. And yeah. So simply, first we have general performance and latency tweaks. So in the new update, I added a few more things in this. I'll just skip to when this is finished. Alright, so after that, simply go to power tweaks. So I have a little warning with this one. Don't do these if you have a PC which has overheating issues. So yeah, simply press 2, enter, and press OK on this warning. And simply, first we have apply EXM free power plan. And here, simply go select the power plan, but I'm still gonna use my premium power plan since it's a lot better than this one. But yeah, after that we have power tweaks, so just press 2. And alright, so after that we have the Windows and debloat category, and here I recommend doing everything, and most of these settings are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna press 1 and I'll say when there's something that I actually have to explain to you guys. So yeah, that's the option number 6 and option number 8. And the rest of these are really just you pressing a button. So after that we have number 6. So here simply press 6 and copy my settings. So if you want to put it for the best performance, just press this. Then go custom and smooth edges on screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. And press apply. Okay, that's all. So after that I'm just gonna... Alright, so I finished the Windows category. So after that we have clean, which this is pretty self-explanatory. The only thing you have to do is just press 4. And the first thing we'll do is delete a bunch of useless device data, which are devices that your PC doesn't use anymore but still stores the data. And then it will run the disk cleanup. So yeah, that's everything for clean. After that we have RAM tweaks, which this will just optimize a bunch of things which have something to do with RAM or memory. And after that we have Autoruns app, which this is an app which allows you to disable a bunch of useless startup services. So here, make sure to go to logon section right here. This is really useful to do. And if you have a lot of things here, this will improve your performance a lot more. I recommend only having your antivirus selected. So for me, this is my antivirus. And also stuff like cmd.exe, make sure that's selected. And if you have files like NA or files which have random names, I don't recommend disabling them. But stuff like Discord, Epic Games Launcher, and stuff like that, you should disable it. So when you turn on your PC, it doesn't automatically start up and kill your performance while you're playing games. So yeah, simply when you finish that, make sure to exit out. After that we have GPU tweaks, so press 7, enter. And here you can select whichever GPU you have. So if you don't know what GPU you have, go to Task Manager, Performance, and here GPU. You can see I have an NVIDIA GPU, so I'm just going to do number 1. gonna skip to when it's finished. Press no, so after that we have CPU tweaks, so just press 8. And then we have USB tweaks. Most of these are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna press 9, enter. It's really simple. And then we have mouse and keyboards. So this will disable a bunch of stuff like toggle keys, sticky keys, filter keys, which the filter keys apps is completely useless. Don't use that. Uninstall that. And then we have mouse data queue size. So again, open task manager, go to your performance and go to your CPU and find this right here. So you can see I have a 13th gen Intel Core i7. So yeah, basically just comment whatever your CPU is and I'll tell you whichever one of these options you should use. So I'm gonna press 1. And yeah, that's everything for the free utility. So simply restart your PC after this. So after you use this, go here, Windows, and restart. And then you can go to like any of your favorite games and test it out. So if you want to revert the tweaks completely, just press R. And this will open the restore point. Press next. And select the EXM free utility restore point. Next. And make sure your SSD is selected. Boom. And then finish. And I'm not gonna do that since I don't want to revert the tweaks, but I'm just letting you guys know how to revert it. And yeah, that's everything. But before we end the video, I want to tell you guys how you can get even more FPS than from this. A lot more actually. Just press W and this will take you to my website, exmtweaks.com. And here you can buy my premium and standard tweaking utilities. So you can check all of the reviews right here. There's a lot of them, trust me. There's like 186 for premium, and there's like a lot more in my Discord server. There's like, I can scroll for days. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Love you guys. Thank you for the recent support. My last video did really well, and I'm really grateful for that. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day.